McKinsey many years ago did a piece of work which said one of the 3 key enablers for women to move through to senior roles was in fact being able to build a network of women within their organisation, or also externally to their organisation within their profession, and a broader network. So I find that when you get a group of women together, they're quite often able to express what they want to do. They're able to put forward their thoughts, their concerns. They're able to discuss the opportunities in an environment that isn't at all competitive. It's completely collaborative. So you're building a very collaborative space which enables people to step into that and to help each other. And I think that's why the workshop actually works. In terms of skill sets, I've never worked on the deficit model, which says that, women don't sell themselves, women don't do these things. We all know that men and women are different. And so men and women bring different things, they behave differently. So when you look at that, then you need to design systems and processes that in fact work with people's difference, and it's not just men and women, it's people of different age, ethnicity, all of those other sorts of diversities. When you design systems and processes that really enable and free those up, then I think you get something that really hums.